Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our team for Group 2 will present our analysis in Plantar. First present is Sophie.
Okay, thank you, Za. So I will explain about the city of Tanjung Pinang, historically known as a prominent maritime trade center, serves as a dynamic melting pot for various ethnicities, including the Malay, Chinese, Bugis, Minang, and also Javanese communities. This rich demographic diversity naturally fosters intense language contact, particularly within informal economic sectors. I think that's all from me.
And the next presenter is Achis.
Thank you, Za. I'm the second presenter. Next, public spaces such as the traditional markets and the plantar coastal areas become linguistic crossroads where the local Riau Island Malay language intersects with other mother tongues, notably Chinese dialects like Hokkien and Teochew. In environments where no single language is perfectly mastered by all interacting parties, communities tend to develop simplified communication systems to facilitate basis transaction.
Okay, thank you, Achis. And the next presenter is Anggun.
Alright, thank you, Zara. Next, the phenomenon of morphological and syntactic simplification provides a compelling ground for observing the early stages of pidginization within a multicultural society. To understand this linguistic development is essential to frame the observations within the established sociolinguistic concept of pidgins. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Anggun. And the next presenter is Angel.
Okay, next, pidgin emerges purely out of practical necessity when distinct groups must interact without a shared native language. It is fundamentally characteristic by a drastically reduced grammatical structure and a restricted vocabulary, usually probably influenced by the social or economically group, dominant group known as the superstratum. That's all from me.
Angel, and the next presenter is Jasmine.
Okay, thank you, Za. In the context of Tanjung Pinang, while standard Indonesian and former Malay possess complex affixation system, this daily commercial interaction in area like Pelantar and Pasar Bintan often strip away these grammatical complexities. This research applies a qualitative descriptive methodology to observe this naturalistic, unscriptive economic exchange, aiming to document how local speakers negotiate meaning and achieve communicative efficiency. I think that's all, Za.
Okay, thank you, Jasmine. And the next presenter is Sena.
Okay, thank you, Zah. So, the findings of this observational study reveal significant linguistic adaptation that strongly align with the characteristic of a content language. The most prominent feature observed is massive morphological simplification. So, speaker consistently drop standard prefixes and suffixes, relying instead of bare root words and rigid simplified sentences structure to convey the intention quickly. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Sena. And for next is Buried by Me. Okay, furthermore, there is clear pattern of lexical mixing, while the foundational syntax remains largely influenced by market Malay. The vocabulary is frequently interspersed with terms from Chinese dialects. particularly regarding numerical values, weight, and commercial measurement. This blend creates a unique, mutually understood location tailored specifically for the marketplace. And that's all from me. Next presenter is Hannah.
Okay, thank you, Zah. Ultimately, the linguistic interaction observed in the trading hubs of Tanjung Pinang highlights a clear process of language adaptation and structural reduction. Although the contact language utilized in the debt markets may not yet process the rigid stability required to be classified as fully autonomous and mature region. That's all for me. And next.
Okay, thank you, Hannah. And the last will present by Helmi.
It undeniably exhibits the core mechanisms of pigeonization. It functions effectively as a pre-pigeon or a highly localized market vernacular. This sociolinguistic reality demonstrates how language is not a static entity, but a fluid, adaptive tool that continuously evolves to meet the practical socio-economic demands of a diverse and integrating community. That is all from me.
Okay, thank you, Helmi. And I think that's all from my group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.